SP 500 daily chart. After this triple top, price breakdown, this neckline now testing again and ready to make new lower low. So that was a 10% market decline August last year. Same thing happened recently, but September 2024 and March 2025, both FOMC, if you compare side by side what Fed did and what was market reaction, then you can see speech was hawkish, like I said, compared to September. Final message of FOMC, that was not dovish like September 2024. When market confirmed that was hawkish FOMC meeting and your Fed put is dead, now market falling again. So last 6 months you have seen no monetary or fiscal policy support from US policy maker. Same thing will continue in second quarter 2025. They will sell before watching economic indicator or after watching economic indicator. What weekly time frame you can see, price goes up, counter trend correction V, 50% retracement, and price begin falling from 100% projection 6108. Perfect technical wave C 100% projection. If we compare all of them, Trump and Powell and Peasant, it's feel like Peasant running the show. A trained hedge fund. Now he control all fiscal policy and monetary policy. Instead of saying what Trump doing, Powell doing, better we focus what Peasant say if market make new lower low. Market did same as expected, a top correction toward 5800, then falling again. But support is not clear because this trend line already tested 3 times. That is next big possible dynamic support level. So finally, what started in 1987 with Alan Greenspan, on each market decline, they changed policy. And finally, first time in last 3 years, Fed did nothing to stop market crash. Dollar index weekly time frame, price goes up on first rate cut. When Fed stop rate cut, it start falling. 61% retracement, top to bottom, near 103,217. Big static support level. Price stopped falling. And last few weeks, price did same as expected, up from this area. So dollar need upside correction. Let's see how high it will go. Euro USD H4 time frame, price did same as expected, double top, neckline breakdown, 50% retracement complete last week. So this area, that's when your Friday closing, big static resistance, price testing that area after breakdown, and top to bottom through retracement zone. So this area from 0.84 to 86, that is your resistance zone, or simple way you can say sale zone. But target will be new lower low or static support if you see 0.60. GBPUSD daily chart, no major change. Price still sideways, top to bottom, near 61% retracement level. So Euro USD came down, giving perfect technical setup, a double top pattern, but GBPUSD is still sideways. So trade with bearish bias. Once it start falling, then lower trend line retest. This is strong trend line. That will be first big dynamic support level. USD JPY price did same as expected. Big jump from top to bottom, 61% retracement. And before testing 152 resistance, price start falling again. So that was our top, and that is counter trend correction. After correction, it will make new lower low. If we see NASDAQ weekly time frame, then last week closing, price breakdown, big dynamic support level, clear breakout and closing below trend line. So SP 500 gave us clear top based on fib projection, but on current price area, NASDAQ giving us a selling signal, big dynamic support level, breakdown. So if Fed was your fundamental confirmation that Fed put is dead, because there is clear difference between their September last year and March this year FOMC meeting, then this trend line breakdown, that is your technical confirmation. Simple way you can see market begin pricing for recession. Silver weekly time frame, price going up, WXY wave, gold flying over $3,000. Still silver did not break out 35 resistance area. So if gold start correction, SP 500 crash more, then price will fail to break out $35, and there is no support before $29. Same thing with GDX weekly chart, coronavirus lockdown timing, top, price testing, technically trying but failing to break out, because everything, the timing part, policy part, everything is total opposite what you saw in August 2020 when price hit that area. To break out this area for more melt up, those policy, those timing will not repeat, total opposite. And we all know when gold goes down like small $100, GDX fall more than gold, plus SP 500 market crash, margin selling, two force. In that condition, GDX will fall more compared to gold, and technically no big support before $34. Bitcoin weekly time frame, AVC wave counting double top, neckline breakout retest, price again falling, downside target near 50 to 61% retracement area, 62k to 51k. If SC 500 fall more, that's mean your market crash. Be ready your downside risk up to 51k. Because of QT, market will fight for remaining liquidity in system, and it is highly correlated with NASDAQ. If that fall, it will go down, plus tight policy. Oil weekly time frame, big dynamic support level, a very strong trend line. So clear message from Fed March FOMC meeting, the Fed put is dead, market fall more, a market make new lower low, then sentiment shift, trend line can break down and waterfall up to $40. So if price goes up as a counter trend correction, because technically it is also a sideways range, then $80, but ultimately trend line will break down. US 2-year bond yield, or we can say Fed interest rate. So Friday closing, that was below lower range of Fed interest rate. That's when clearly market is pricing for rate cut. So more market fall, like SP 500, more market will demand for more rate cut. if you see US 10-year bond yield, then since October 2022, you can see yield is sideways, same place and no change. But at the same time, from this area, gold went up from 1620 to 3080. All the time when 10-year bond yield that was sideways, gold was flying. So that fall in yield that already priced in